So in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Dagger Pass concept for medium pass concepts. Firstly, let's go to skill trainer and go to medium pass concepts. Enter Dagger Pass concept.
Here we go.
Dagger Pass is a progression read concept that features a receiver running an underneath crossing route and another receiver running a dig route in the opposite direction. The key to the Dagger concept is the inside receiver running the vertical route who clears out the middle of the field. Throw to the primary receiver running the dig route with X button.
Here we go. That. Here we go. That. Here we go. That.
Let's try again.
Here we go. That. Gun. That. Here we go. That.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.